Yo, what is going on? NASJay family. Guys, what's up? Guys, we're gonna make this YouTube video on how we caught this gold trade yesterday and into today, and how it actually played out in our favor. And guys, I'm gonna be explaining it all to you guys, and I just want you guys to just tune in, sit down, take some notes, and enjoy the video. Let's go, guys. Let's got these charts up. Yes sir. As you guys can see, let me turn this music down. So guys, as you guys can see here, I already have my chart marked up, but let's hit the higher time frame, guys, so you guys can see how I take a look at these markets, where I mark my zones, and how I determine where the market is gonna head. So as you guys can see here on the higher time frame, we do have a resistance that did get broken, that created a new high, guys. This is a new high that got created on the higher time frame, as you guys can see. Guys, the higher time frame has more power than these time frames down here. So, created that new high, made that correction. So we have a correction here. I don't use trend lines, guys. I'm just using this to show you guys. So that is the correction that's going on. We are still downtrending. As you guys can see here, this is the trade we caught at this zone. This support that turns into resistance. So let me break it down to you guys. So we have this support here that gets turned into resistance. So look, zoom out, so you guys can see beautiful market structure. We have a high, low, lower high, lower low. As you guys can see, we never came back to the zone to create that lower high, but we did break below this zone here, the support zone here, which indicates that we still are in sells. And guys, notice the candle that we broke that with on the higher time frame. We made a new low, ended up coming back. Guys, when we come back to this zone, this is where we start breaking it down. So we're like, okay, as you guys can see, I'm looking at the chart. I'm like, okay, so clearly this was a support. We break it. So I'm like sitting back and I'm like, okay, so if that was support, we break it. The odds of it breaking back above it again are very slim. So I was like, if we come back to the zone, I'm just gonna sell. As some common sense. You guys are making it more difficult than what it has to be. So look, the lower the time frame, the more details that we get. So we have here support, gets broken with this nice flush candle here with a lot of volume. Create that new low. As you guys can see, we did resist here as support. So we got hit support here. This is where we reacted for that pullback. So I'm gonna break it down even more for you guys. Guys, I don't go nothing below the 1 hour time frame. 2 hours to 1 hour. Catch my entries around here. So as you guys can see, look, support, beautiful flush candle, confluences. We hit that support, we pull back. Guys, once we pull back, a lot of you guys would think that that this trend is switching. No, guys. If you guys look back at the higher time frame, what trend are we on? Lower high, lower low, lower high. So why in the world will we be looking for buys? Correct? So look, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is where we catch our entry, on this lower high, to take it back down to these lows right here. These lows right here is a great target to target, as a safe target, right? And if you guys see that the low gets broken, guys, what is this? If the low gets broken, If this low gets broken, what's going on here? Low got broken. What is this? Guys, this is an indication that we are still in sells, that we are still in a downtrend. Correct? We are still in a downtrend, guys. Where are buys? The 1 hour is confirming we are still in sells. So now that I see this, now that I notice that the 1 hour broke this lower low, this lower low, I'm gonna go back up to the higher time frame, and guys, I'm just gonna look at what zones can the market possibly go down to. So look at this. Wow, guys, look at this amount of space that we have. The market is going to come back down around here. Okay, guys, when we break lows, we chase highs. When we break highs, we chase the lows. All right? Did I say that correct? Hold on. So if we break lows, we're chasing the higher low. Yes, okay. So if we break lower lows, we are chasing higher lows. If we break higher highs, we are chasing higher highs. Right? Okay. So this is the higher time frame. Right? As you guys can see, we broke here. Beautiful candlestick pattern. Guys, clearly indicating we are still in sells. No indication of reversals as of right now. I'm truthfully looking for buys, right? I sold this week because we were selling this week. We were making that little pullback, so there's no point of buying in the week. So I'm looking, right, and I did notice that I actually caught an L on here because I thought the market was going to reverse around this zone here. So I saw that there was support 3 times. So I actually caught a buy around here when we broke this high. Notice how I was looking to chase these current highs here. Right? These were going to be my targets. Correct? So if I caught this buy, these were going to be the targets of liquidity I was going to chase. And clearly that trade did not go my way. Thankfully, I had a stop loss in place, which I hope every single one of you guys have at all times. So then I noticed, I'm like, oh shoot, I didn't correctly read the market structure. I actually rushed into that trade. I noticed that we had lows here. We had lows here. Lows here. Indicating that we are still in a downtrend. We pulled back, broke back below this low. This is our confirmation that we are riding it down to this target. So this broke back below, take it down to this target. As you guys can see, we stop loss right above this recent high, and as you guys can see, we never went into real drawdown, really. Maybe a little bit here, not that much. Then I noticed, okay, indication. I was waiting for the correction once I realized that this market wasn't really going in my direction, because I saw a few exhaustion candles in this intraday. And then I realized, oh crap, I got pushed out. We have an exhaustion candle. Let me switch my bias. So I go down to the 1 hour, and I do notice that, okay, we have a low. We get broken, like I said before. Come back to it, and we're going to catch this beautiful entry back below this low. Right around here. Highs. Stop loss right above this high. Yeah. And guys, we are catching that meltdown. Super, 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 super beautiful. That was an amazing trade. I loved it. We caught this here. And thankfully that since we caught this, we actually made some profits back from the beginning of the week, because we actually caught an L trying to catch this buy. It was a little L, but guys, remember, when you use risk management, your losers are actually smaller than your wins. So this is what makes you a profitable trader. So guys, practice risk management, master risk management, because you could have a 40% strategy and still be profitable. So here, let me analyze NAS for you guys. What I was looking at NAS, I did notice on NAS on the higher time frame, we had resistance here, resisted, had a reaction. I break it down. Let me see, we had that reaction. I see that we had a little high here. That beautiful little high here that got broken. Market came back, reacted to that high. So we had a little reaction. Boom, perfect reaction on the 1 hour. Created the new high. Boom, reaction on the previous high. Had a nice candle, engulfing candlestick. Let's say you took this trade to this high. This would have been your target here, guys. This right here. Guys, and once you see it broken, you just keep holding it. Put stop loss in profit and hold that shit. Guys, that is a beautiful trade. Guys, and look at our weekly overall target. We're chasing the weekly overall target right now. We're going there. It's gone. This market is gone, boys. Sheesh. Yes, sir. She's out of here, boys. See you later. Clearly, guys, what trend is this? Higher high, higher low. Guys, the thing with me as an educator, I like to make it simple for you guys. Guys, look at the overall highs and the overall lows. The overall highs and the overall lows. Fuck all this little noise, all these little candlesticks. Pop, 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 pop. No, guys. If you see little candlesticks like this, alright, realize, oh shit, it's way too much noise. Let me go to the higher time frame, see what the overall picture is looking like. Alright, we see this. Okay. We don't get a trade here. Market gets broken. Never retested. Never retested. So why will we look to enter? Market broke this high here. Never really retested. Okay, so why are we looking to enter? Now here, the market gets broke. We're still looking for that retest. Boom. Perfect. Guys, this is where we hit that sniper entry here. Let's break it down to the 1 hour. Mark the highest point here. Alright. Now we're waiting for the market to come back in there. We're stop loss below here. This would be a stop loss. Right below these lows. Sorry, my lines aren't all straight because this is MT5. So, so boom. Market comes back. Guys, look at the freaking reaction. Resistance. Breaks broken. Turns into support. Guys, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. And if you guys are interested on joining my broker, guys, my link will be in the bio. So make sure you guys are signing up with my broker. My regulated broker, guys. All these other brokers are actually scamming, taking your money. You get a nice little profit for the week. You can't even withdraw your profits. So guys, please, 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 if you guys are following me, make sure you guys are trading regulated. Make sure you guys trading with my broker if you guys like, because my broker has very, very low spreads, and they will take care of you at all times, and your funds are secured. So if you guys have any single questions, anything about my trading, guys, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I will follow up with any questions that you guys have. And guys, I'm gonna try to do one of these every single now and then. And honestly, I'll try to do one every single trade. Analyze my trade after I took it. So as you guys can see, we did have a beautiful profit day today for Friday, Thursday going into Friday. So this is where we took our position. These cells here. We took these cells up here. Nice little sniper. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, just so you guys can learn some more info. And guys, I will be getting deeper. I will be analyzing cryptocurrencies, many other stuff. But make sure you guys are actually like, comment, and subscribing. Thank you guys for the support. I love you guys all. Thank you. Broker will be in my description below.